So let me show you how to set up or how to add the Google Play Store on the Xiaomi 17 Pro, especially if you're running the Chinese ROM. So first thing you need to do is enable basic Google services. So if you go into settings and then scroll down and find additional settings, tap on that, and then scroll down and find accounts and sync. You want to tap on that and then go to basic Google services and turn this on. It's going to be off by default, so make sure you turn this on. Now once you turn that on, you can now go back to the home screen and then you want to go to the Mi Store. So in the Mi Store, actually you go to the Mi Get Apps application. So tap on that, and then of course if it's the first time, you have to agree to the terms of service, and then you go to search and then find the Google Play Store. And then hit enter for search. I actually saw it somewhere. I don't know how it disappeared. There you go. So there it is. Tap on it and then tap on update. So you can see the progress at the bottom there as it gets updated. Once it's done, you can actually tap on open to launch the Google Play Store, and now you can go ahead and sign in with your Google account. So from now on, the Google Play Store should be available among the list of apps on your phone. Here it is. So you can access it anytime. You can even add it to the home screen somewhere. I'm just gonna place mine right here. It's actually already there. Thanks for watching and good luck.